Good day everybody. Today we got this GALLOPER model 2000 long body. It's a very strong car. Let's review this car, take a look at everything from outside and inside. It's raining here today in South Korea, but we're making this video for you. So let's take a look at this car. Starting from here, 360 view. The body is clean. So far everything looks good. Let's check the doors one by one. First door. This door as well. This is the door at the other side, the driver's side. They're all in a good condition for a 2000 vehicle. You can say it's in a very good condition actually. Check the trunk. Here we go. We open the trunk here. There's plenty of space in here. There's two chairs as well here you can use. There's a little bit of rust on the edges here. Alright, here we go. We open the engine room. The sounds okay. Everything looks good. The edges. Okay, so everything looks good here. Let's go check another thing. Alright, here we are inside the car right now. Let's go check it out. Check everything. Okay, put the switch on. Lights are on. Let's start the engine. RPMs are up. That's good. Okay, let's try to accelerate and see the RPMs, how they're going up. Okay, harder. That's good. Goes up very smoothly. One more time. Perfect.
Alright, what else do we have here? Let's try the AC. Looks like the AC is not working or something. I'm not sure. Oh, it is working. Wow. It's stronger than I thought. Okay, so the AC is working. This is cold. This is hot. It is cold actually here. Okay, so the AC is working.
Esta es Busyman.KR, empresa comercializadora de automóviles usados. Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos al puerto donde lo desee. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web o por WhatsApp Messenger. Buen auto y buen precio. Busyman.KR. El número de teléfono celular es +8210-7353-2398.
this was the review, the full review of our GALLOPER 2000. If you like this car and if you're interested in this car, please don't hesitate to contact us. You can ask us any questions, and if you need more pictures or any more details, you can reach us out and we'll be glad to help you and send it to you. You can also reach us at busyman.kr. Thanks for watching. Please have a nice day.
Si está interesado en este automóvil, contáctenos. El sitio web es busyman.kr. El número de teléfono es +8210-7353-2398. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Si subo otro video, te lo haré saber. Gracias.